This is about the simple house with secondary skin. First of all, we can use the rectangle and click from this origin to the another origin. This one. Then we can click the surface and select push pull around 300 millimeter and triple click my group. Then I will show you about the dimension about this simple house. So the height of this house is around 3.5 meter and the depth of this house is around 6.5 meter. Then now we can click the surface skin. We can click this object, select move, tap control, click this edge and place to the position. We can fix it like this. Okay, then we can select a move and move from this position. Based on this edge, we can type 3.5 meter, enter. Okay, and again we can select move, tap control, click from this corner to this corner. Okay, then now we can make the another wall. We can make the solid wall. We can click this line and select this midpoint until this midpoint. Then we can click this line and like offset it inside 150, enter. We can close this every single line over there and select push it up until this position. Can triple click, make group. Okay, now we can select the rectangle and click from this corner to this corner, triple click. We can triple click and select move. We can move to the to this position. We can triple click, make group. Then we can select move again to this position. Now we can fix about this wall. Okay, we can place to the position and then we can make the glazing in here. Okay, we can select move, tap control and place to this position and select the line. Okay, then we can click this line, select move, tap control and place to this position. Then we can type 3/ and enter. Then we can triple click, make group. Then we can select move to the behind and then we can move again, place this position. Then we can make the rectangle again in here, click this line, select move, tap control, place this position. Then we can type 3/ and enter, triple click, make group. Okay, then we can move a little bit to the inside. Okay, now we can assign the materials with using the glass materials. Select move. Okay, now we can make a secondary skin. We can make this simple secondary skin over there with using the board in here. We can modify this secondary skin in here. Can triple click, make group, and then now we can make the simple shading. We can make the simple sun shading in here. Triple click, make group. We can click the wood and place this position. Okay, we can make component, create, then select move, tap control, click this corner and place to this position. Then we can type 15/ and enter. So it will be automatically arranged by the distance with the 15 unit of this bar wood. Then we can make group and also make component, create. Okay, then now we can draw the middle surface over there. We can draw the line to the upper position. Okay, then we can click this one and select move, tap control and place to this position. Then we can type x3. Okay, so this is a 3 shading. Then we can duplicate again, select move and place to this position. Then we can rotate 90 degree based on the alignment of this wall. Okay, we can place it to the position. Okay, it's actually we have to move it a little bit in here, or maybe we can move it to the front. Okay, we can move it to the front to give the space of this secondary skin. Okay, and also this one we can make the extension. Okay, now we can click this panel and select rotate. Okay, now we can rotate this one. Okay, and we can rotate this one. Okay, and then now we can erase some unnecessary line over there. Okay, just like this. Then we can push it to the another side, and we can make the another wall in here like this. Can triple click, make group, and we can also make the glazing. We can make the glazing on this balcony. Okay, just like this. Thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.